In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add money to Wise from a Payoneer Mastercard. First, open the Wise app or go to the Wise website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, head to your home screen and choose the currency balance you want to fund, such as USD or another supported currency. If that currency balance hasn't been added to your account yet, simply select the option to add a currency first. This is important because Wise only allows you to add money to supported currencies, so the options you see may depend on your account setup and location. Next, open that currency balance and select Add Money, or in some cases, just Add. Then enter the amount you want to deposit. After that, Wise will show you the available payment methods for your account, your selected currency, and your region. Keep in mind that the available options can vary, so what you see may be slightly different from someone else's screen. If debit or credit card appears as an option, choose it. This is where you'll enter your Payoneer Mastercard details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVC or CVV code. Wise accepts eligible Mastercard payments, and the card typically needs to have a valid 16-digit number, a current expiry date, and security verification enabled. In many cases, 3D Secure is also required, so be prepared for an extra confirmation step. It's also very important that the Payoneer card is in your own name or in your business's name if you're using a business account. Do not try to use someone else's card, because Wise generally does not allow card payments from cards that don't match the account holder or business information. Making sure the card ownership matches can help you avoid payment failures or verification issues. If Wise or your card provider asks for verification, complete that step by following the on-screen instructions. This could include 3D Secure authentication or another approval method. Take your time here and make sure each detail is entered correctly to avoid delays. Before submitting the payment, carefully review the transaction, check the amount you're adding, look over the fee shown by Wise, and confirm the final amount that will be credited. Once everything looks correct, go ahead and confirm the payment. Finally, return to your Wise account and open the same currency balance again to check whether the funds have arrived. Depending on the payment and verification process, the money may show up right away.